Today, we're diving deep into a head-to-head comparison of two titans in the tire world, the Continental Premium Contact 6 and the Michelin Pilot Sport 5. These ultra-high performance tires promise top-notch handling, safety, and comfort. But which one reigns supreme? Let's find out. First up, let's talk dry performance. The Michelin Pilot Sport 5 edges ahead in dry braking, stopping 0.3 meters shorter than the Continental Premium Contact 6. However, the tables turn in dry handling. The Premium Contact 6 dominates with quicker lap times, outperforming the Pilot Sport 5 by 1.28 seconds. In subjective dry handling, the Continental Premium Contact 6 also shines. Test drivers praised its dynamic steering and sharp reactions, giving it a slight advantage over the more balanced but less sporty Pilot Sport 5. Safety in wet conditions is crucial, and here, both tires bring their A game. In wet braking, the Premium Contact 6 pulls ahead, stopping 1.2 meters shorter than the Pilot Sport 5. Yet, when it comes to wet handling, the Pilot Sport 5 takes the lead, clocking in 1.22 seconds faster per lap and earning higher marks for driver feedback. Interestingly, despite the Premium Contact 6's superior wet braking, it doesn't translate to better handling. The Pilot Sport 5's compound and design excel in maintaining grip and control on wet surfaces. Moving on to noise and comfort, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 is the clear winner. It offers a smoother ride with a comfort rating of 9.8 out of 10 and is 0.8 decibels quieter than the Premium Contact 6. Lastly, we look at rolling resistance. With sustainability in mind, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 again outperforms, offering a 2.5% improvement in rolling resistance over the Continental Premium Contact 6. This means better fuel efficiency and reduced environmental impact. In summary, the Continental Premium Contact 6 excels in dry handling and wet braking, making it a fantastic choice for drivers seeking precision and safety. On the other hand, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 dominates in wet handling, comfort, and rolling resistance, offering a well-rounded package for everyday driving and performance enthusiasts alike. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.